Hi guys, today I received this set of folding table and chairs for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because first it has some very nice black colors and they are very sturdy because this saves in these parts so you can fold it and unfold it. Here are the instructions. So it comes with this mesh bag to put, well, anything that you wanna leave in the table but doesn't get in the way. Goes like this. It looks like this. It just stays there and you can open it, put some things in here. It can be trash, it can be food, it can be anything you want. Just leave it there and you can be with many people around the table. Like this, working with your friends or even in game nights to set your place like this. So it's really nice, it looks good, it doesn't wobbles, which is a nice thing, and I will recommend it.